Okay, back again in emoji boxing, but this one is already unboxed even though it is still sealed with plastic, so I try to continue to seal this plate. My favorite plate that I used to see the signature menu from the local steak restaurant. So basically it is not properly sealed, so there's some of it is just transparent tape. So yeah, I eventually need to pull it out without able to use it again, perhaps, most likely, but I need to be very careful because I don't want to make the heavy marble plate be fall off during this unsealed plastic. So yeah, I need to be really slowly. That's the reason why this video can up to 3 minutes, even though it's just very simple kind of unboxing video. So previously I already owned the black marble stone, which is only for main plate, so there's no wooden plate. There's also no sauce plate. I have a divider, 4 divider, so I can interchange the main plate since it is the most common that will be washed in order to use it again when I use this kind of plate. So yeah, try to use the black plate and it just works perfectly. To be honest, if you want to do a photo shoot using this plate, you still definitely need a good lighting system and a backdrop as well, because yeah, it is still inappropriate for some reason. The color balance just seems to be natural and eye-catching. So yeah, there's this kind of black and white marble spatial edition. Sadly, I cannot bought the